everyone and welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna make an unboxing for today, and this is a new handheld console, right? So here it goes, guys. So you already know the title of the video, right? And also you already know the thumbnail and also the title of the video, right? So let's go, gonna have to check it out. What is gonna be the nice one over here. So I'm gonna have to open this box right over here, right? So this is my first time of having a Android handheld, right? So I believe this is an Android handheld console, and let's go, gonna have to check this out, right? So let's go, gonna have to check this out, right? So we got was right that Mangmi, right? So this is a new handheld console from Mangmi, and I think everybody has already the Mangmi Air X, right? So let's go, gonna have to check it out. What is the design of this Android handheld console that I have? Okay, so and also I will make a follow-up video for this one, right? I will make a follow-up video for this. So we're gonna make a review of this one. I'm gonna make a review for this one, right? So give it go. Okay, it has a SD card over here. We've got the Mangmi Air X. All right, so gonna have to open this one right over here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to open this up. Okay, and then have to open this, and then we gonna have to check it out. And we've got this micro SD card over here, which is free micro SD card. Okay, how many gigabyte is this? Okay, I'm gonna have to check it out. Okay, I'm have to check it out. All right, so okay, we've got the 128 gigabyte. Oh, nice. Okay, let's go, gonna have to check the box or item over here. Let's go, gonna have to check it out. All right, so it's so hard to open. All right, okay, that's a one heck of a box. All right, yeah, very sturdy box over here. So we've got a sticker, I think. Okay, I thought it was a sticker. Okay, we've got the Mangmi Air X. All right, so yeah, so let's go, and we've got right over here is a tempered glass. Okay, and we've got right over. Oh, nice. Oh, holy smoke, I love this. Wow, nice, perfect. Oh, okay, and we've got also right over here is the USB-C. It's the USB-C cable. So I think the seal height of the so I think I'm gonna have to change the angle of this one. Okay, so okay, here we go. So we've got the cable right over here. Yep, and then also we've got the console. So let's go, gonna have to check it out. Oh, and I also picked the white, right? And we got some retro style of a oh my god, look at that, nice. Oh, I love it. We got speaker, I think speaker, we got the ventilation of the air. Yeah, that's so cool. Okay, yeah, we got some nice D-pad. Okay, and also yeah, perfect face button. We've got the home button right over here. We've got the back button. We got the plug, and then we got the right over here. So, and then we've got the nice. Okay. Nice. Okay. So let's go, gonna have to turn it on. Okay, let's go, gonna have to turn it on. Okay, I believe this is the power, right? I think. Yeah. We got the TF card over here. So I'm gonna have to put that TF card here. Okay. I'm gonna have to put it on. Oops. Okay. So that we can expand more memory, right? So okay. So that we can expand more memory. This one. Okay. Oops. I think. Yeah. Okay. Here it goes, and then gonna have to put it on, and gonna have to turn it on, right? There you go. There you go. Nice. Mangmi. So we got the Mangmi over here. Okay. So we got to check this out, right? Nice. Okay. Oh wow. Okay. Oh, okay. Is it touchscreen? Oh, look at that. It's an RGB lights. Oh, nice. Okay, is it touchscreen? Yes, touchscreen. All right. With the Wi-Fi settings. Okay. Hold on a minute. All right. All right. We are now connected to the internet. Okay. Next. Open. I'm gonna have to check that time zone, right? So. Next, because mommy has prepared some apps to make it. Oh, okay. Mommy has prepared some apps to make it more convenient for you to use the Haril console. You can install them without an internet connection. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Still. It's installing all of the this one right over here. Okay. Alright, already installed. Okay, gonna confirm. Back. Oh, okay. Okay, I think already done. Okay. Confirm. Okay. Here it goes. Next. Enjoy. Okay. There you go, there you have it, guys. Okay, oh sorry. Okay, there you go, there you have it. So it's also, yeah, yes. Oh, look at that. So Play Store, I'm gonna go to check that one. Okay, Google Play. I'm gonna sign in for my Android, right? I'll be signing for my Android. Alright. So I already sign into my, yeah, look at that. So I already signed in, so I'm gonna check the Play Store. Okay, it's updating Google Apps, right? So gonna have to wait, so let's gonna have to check that out one. Okay, we've got some okay, we've got some ambient light open, bottom layout of switch, sidebar. Okay, we got the desktop mode. We've got right over here, we got some screenshot. Okay, screensaver, force landscape on. We've got the screencast. Oh, okay, screen record. Okay, I didn't expect that one. Alright, so it can screen record, right? So let's go back. Okay, I have to put that one right over here, so sign in to find the latest. Okay, gonna have to check it out. Okay, it needs to be signed in again. Okay, alright, so here it goes. I already log into the right over here, so let's go. Gonna have to check it out. Oh, nice. Okay, we got a DC Dark Legion over here. Make arena shooting game, Honor of Kings. Yeah, gonna have to install that Honor of Kings. Right, go back. So gonna have to also that one, Pokemon Unite. Okay, we've got some asphalt, right? Okay, we got right over here because bunch of game epics girl. League of Legends. Okay, gonna have to install that one also. League of Legends. Alright. Okay, Mobile Legends, right? You can go with it. Without, so let's gonna have to try if it's gonna be working here. Right, so yeah. Right over here, and gonna have to check that out. Right over here is for the alright, so I'm gonna have to go back to the home. I think that's just the home. So okay, we got some from retro over here. We got some to check some PPSSPP, so for the PlayStation Portable games, right? From the PlayStation Portable. Oh, look at that. Yeah, we got some homebrew and demos. Okay, we got some games right over here from the PSP. Okay, don't know. Okay, well, there's no game on it, so I'm gonna have to exit that first. Okay, and then also we got some retro arc. We got some retro arc over here. We need to grant access to the extra storage. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna have to gonna have to put some games right over there, right? So load core. Okay, Atari. Yeah, look at that. So okay, so I have to go to the menu. Okay, quit. Okay, and we got some Steam link over here. Yeah, we got some Steam link in which we can also play some Steam games, right? Welcome to Steam, stream games from your computer with Steam. I'm gonna have to go back for that one. Okay, get started. Skip. Okay, RX controller. Yeah, look at that. So gonna have to go back. Okay. Okay, how to, okay, alright. So stream is where computer stream. Okay, it doesn't want to go back to the home. Okay, but yeah, that's good also for the steam. Alright, so nice. Alright, yeah. Okay, so we've got some over the air update. So okay, so it's updating into a new version 1.0.51, right? So the system update for this one. So alright, that is the unboxing and also the setup of this Mangmi RX. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so that you will notify all of my upcoming videos. Okay, so thank you so much for watching.